This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall. Beautiful 3-bedroom and 2.5 bath townhome in popular courts at Bayshore. Home boasts a bright and open floor plan, kitchen with stainless appliances and granite countertops. Patio off the dining area and balcony off the master bedroom. Okay to lease right away and pet friendly. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall at 954-296-7700.